When was the last time? I don't remember. I think it's more than many years. Yeah. Because of the system of the checkpoints, it was easy to go there. And 2 weeks ago we tried because it's Ramadan and it's special. But on Kalandia, on the checkpoint of Kalandia, we were not allowed to continue. So I was obliged to come back with my wife and a lot of people. And that day, I think at least 20,000 people make their prayer in the street. Zohar is well known. He used to buy the land with the Palestinians, even by false documents. Once, he bought a land without the knowledge of her owners. So the farmer has one choice, to kill him. And with his knife, he cut his throat. And he thought that he was died. But then he was in the hospital, he got well, and again he continued his life. Up to now, he is alive. According to the United Nations Resolution 181, Palestinians must have 51% of the historic Palestine and the Jewish must have 49%. But because the Palestinians refused the decision, because it is not going in concurrence with the percentage of the Palestinians and the Jewish as a population in Palestine, which in fact was 8% Jewish and 92% the Palestinians, they refused the decision. And as a result of the war, Israel controlled 78% of the historic Palestine and left only 22% for the Palestinians. Now, the wall and the settlements controlled more than 40% of the 22 left for Palestinians. Not only this, the wall will divide and change West Bank into 5 large Bantustans. This means 5 large prisons, and they are separated by a permanent checkpoint. So there is any possibility to have one day a Palestinian independent state. They want really to deceive the Israeli people. They don't want the Israeli people to know what is going on in Palestine. So they don't want the salvation. And because of this, I am not allowed. Yeah, this is one of the reasons, because it's not the only reason. And you know, I told you that I have a meeting with the Security Committee in the last 18th of July. They've asked me very few questions, and one of these questions, what I did in Britain in February. And I think they didn't mention that exactly, but I think they want me to talk about the debate in Cambridge University. And that time it was, I'm sorry to say, it was a rough debate between me and between a lot of Israelis in that university. And I think this is one of the main reasons also that I'm not allowed to have another permit. It's like a punish. They don't want me to go to attend conferences in this world, especially Europe. They don't want me to explain the situation in Palestine for the Europeans. اليوم بفوتوش الباص على القدس.
رجعونا عند حاجز كلنديا، وصلونا لهذا، بدنا رجعنا خط رام الله العتيق، رجعنا من هنا، مشينا من هناك ورجعنا رجعنا الجاي، وعلى الحاجز بفتشوا على الهويات، السن من 40 فوق بيطلع المسلمين يروحوا يدشوا، وغلب محمد باغ المعبر على الدنيا، قالوا وتخرج الحي من الميت وتخرج الميت من الحي وترزق من تشاء. اليوم طيب محمد بيضاء. لا شوف وليد دولة سلام. عايش على البركة وراضياني بحقي وبرضا الرحمن سلاء وضلني إنسان حتى تنفك العقدة. عند حرام وعندي مخدي وفراشي عقدي، عند حرام وعندي مخدي وفراشي عقدي، عندي شو ما بدي، عندي كل العدي، عند حرام وعندي مخدي وفراشي عقدي، عندي شو ما بدي.
If you are less than 45, you are not allowed to pass. In spite of all the checkpoints, in spite of all the obstacles, in spite of a lot of people who are all less than 50 years old, they were not allowed to go there. But we found tens of thousands of people are going there.
ارجع بس للصلاة من 45 كل الشباب يرجعوا لورا اللي عمره من تحتيه سن 50 ممنوع الدخول.
اقطف وردي عندي حرام وعندي مخدي وفراشي عندي حرام وعندي مخدي وفراشي عندي شو ما بدي عندي
If one day we will have really a leadership and they will use all this collection to fight to release our Palestinians from occupation, we must find a solution one day. I'm sure of this. It's a holy city. It's not a holy for Muslims, it's a holy for Christians, for Judaism, for Islam the same. And for Ramadan itself, it gives a deep meaning that you are doing there, you are praying there.
هاي برا عشان الباص كل واحد يحضر 4 شيكل ويدخل. هي امير الباص الحج هذا اصبري هذا الامير
هاي 20 هي
The Imam talked about the determination of the Bush management that they will invade Iran, because they don't want to allow Iran to own the nuclear energy. And he said that if they are really interested that the Middle East must be clean of nuclear weapons, they must first of all be sure that Israel will damage all what they had from the nuclear weapons. The second thing he talked about it is the possibility of the peace process in Palestine.